Welcome back, office executives. I am presented with the data. So data which you are viewing in here is the name of the trainees, name of the trainee list. So these are the persons who has been invited to take part in a certain training program in some organization. Now if I want to group them, not I mean if I want to group them, that how many accountants has been asked to join the training and how many TSH. If we just simply write here 1 and then hit enter, after that on the lower right corner, if I press control and then click and drag, again if I go to TSH and there I write down 1, and then again from the lower right corner, while pressing and holding down control key, if I drag all the way across to the down, in this way if I want to finish out the dataset in which I am working upon, it would take a lot of time. So what's the shortcut to it, or what's the trick in which you can give numbering to according to the department wise, and for each department the numbering would again start from the starting, that is 1. How to achieve that, that will be the goal seek, which that will be the problem which you are going to overcome. So let me press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z and Z to undo whatever data we had feed into Excel. Now we'll be selecting this particular column from accountant till the end of the data, wherever the range of the column of the cells in which the numbering would appear, we would select that range of cell and then hit Ctrl G from our keyboard to open up go to dialog box, and then from the specials we are concerned about the blanks. In the blank section we will be filling out with some form of data, that is 1 2 3 4, then OK. So now that already the blank cells has been selected, we will be simply writing equal to n, simply n, then bracket open, and then the value in here, that is the name of the column, incremented by +1. So you all know that make to make changes in only in one cell we press enter, but since the concerned data is about a range of cells, we will be pressing control enter. So see, we are nice looking. Each of the departments are starting with the numbering, that is from the beginning, that is from 1. So whenever in the account section in the 10th row, whenever we are getting 6 from TSH, again it is starting from 1. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Let me know in the comment section, guys, how you felt about this video, and if you have faced any difficulties just populating this formula, which is equal to n. So converts non-number value to a number date source to serial number. Anyways, that's all guys. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all and happy coding.